Hey guys, the fireworks are starting. Well, hi guys, this is Alan, Alanius Augustus, better known as that. And well, we're here on the 4th of July about to watch some fireworks. So yeah, they're starting. Fireworks. Good fireworks.
Yeah, because I got right behind you where I can prop my feet up.
I'm right here.
What are you doing?
I'm videoing it. I'm gonna put it on my YouTube channel. No, I have it. I'm good right here. I caught it. However long this show is, it's gonna be that pretty long video. Guys, I just want to remind you guys to please press that subscribe button and like this video. It helps me out. It helps a lot of people out.
Huh? You got a gun.
The what?
It's not controlled, and they blow up and there's a pattern.
Carter, you're the bomb.
You're the bomb.
I heard you.
Are y'all going to play now? Grandma, did you see two of the white